Thanks for watching Cheap Shot. Today we're going to clear and make safe an AK style rifle. First thing is we need to make sure we put it on safe. On this rifle, down is the fire position, up is the safe position. Next, we must remove the magazine. To do that, press forward on the magazine release and pull the magazine outward. Just because there are no rounds in the magazine does not mean there are no rounds in the chamber of the rifle. Ensuring we keep it pointed in a safe direction and our finger stays straight and off the trigger, we want to pull back on a charging handle and check the chamber for ammunition. Please note that because we are in the safe position, the charging handle will not engage all the way rearward. We see no ammunition in there. Should we find ammunition in the chamber, once again, keeping our finger straight and off the trigger, we want to bring the rifle back to the fire position, grasp the charging handle, pull it all the way back, and let it come forward, ejecting that round. Once we have done that, please remember to put the rifle back in the safe position. Now that we have cleared and made safe this firearm, we need to lock it. Using a chamber lock like this, pull back on the op rod, insert it through the magazine well, and let it come forward. It's fine if the bolt rests on the lock. That is how you clear and make safe an AK style rifle. Thanks for watching.